Hey everyone, it's Mark from Beefree, and in this video we're going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to Beefree. Zoho Mail is an email hosting service that provides individuals and businesses with a platform for efficient and secure email communications. With our Zoho Mail Connector, you can now design fully optimized on-brand emails in Beefree, and then seamlessly export those designs directly to Zoho Mail, allowing you to take advantage of what both tools do best. Our Zoho Mail Connector also lets you take advantage of Beefree's email templates and the ability to save and reuse content to use in other email designs. Here's how to connect Zoho Mail to Beefree. Here we are on the email details page of our email. Let's first make sure your subject line and any email UTMs are filled in, as they will be transferred to Zoho Mail upon export. Next, we can select Export, and in the pop-up menu, we can click Push to your sending system, and then select Zoho Mail. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your account. Once you've added in your account info, click Sign In. Awesome! Your Zoho Mail account is now connected to your Beefree workspace. Before you can send your email as a template to Zoho Mail, you'll need to fill out two fields. In the From field, you'll see all the email addresses that you can use to send this email via Zoho Mail. In the other field, you'll need to enter an email address related to a person or a group if you have a distribution list. In Zoho Mail, the From and To fields will automatically be filled in with this information once we hit Create. Okay, great. Our email template was sent successfully. We can now click on this link here to take us to Zoho Mail. When we land in Zoho Mail, we can find our email here within the Templates section. If we click on it, we can see that our email is looking great and fully optimized within Zoho Mail. Of course, if you change your mind, you can always change the To and From fields as well as the subject line. Now, it is possible to make minor adjustments to your email design in Zoho Mail, like changing the text, for example. However, we strongly advise that you make any edits inside Beefree, especially for modifying design elements, tweaking the layout, or making multiple changes to the text and formatting of your email. This is because Beefree can't guarantee that your designs will appear accurately upon sending if those edits take place in Zoho Mail. By editing in Beefree, we'll make sure your designs are fully responsive and well optimized for rendering, so that the recipient always sees the exact same email you designed. Just remember that any changes you make to your email in Beefree will need to be re-exported to Zoho Mail as a new email template. And that's how you connect Zoho Mail to Beefree. Design your emails in Beefree and send them in Zoho Mail quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.